Hi there. So this video is all about finding resources on the new Girl Guiding website. Now there are a number of ways to do this. The first that I'm going to show you is just by using the simple search function in the right hand corner of the screen, and that's really for anyone who knows exactly what it is that they're looking for. So in this case I've set myself the task of finding the information in consent form. So if we pop the words information and consent into the search box, click the magnifying glass, and then you'll see that the information in consent form comes up at the top of the search results. If for some reason you don't find the resource that you need when you do your first search, you can also filter your results so that you only see resources. And to do that, you need to just click this button, filter results here, and then tick the resources box, and then just come down the page and apply filter. What that's going to do is it's going to filter results just to show documents and files on the Girl Guiding website. So the second way that you can find resources on the new site is just to go to our resource library, which is located under Making Guiding Happen, and then Resources and Resource Library. So here what we've done is we've pulled together a series of collections of documents that we think our volunteers and leaders will need to do everyday guiding, basically. So under unit forms, obviously the information and consent form is a really important form for our leaders, so it's right at the top of this list. But you'll also find things like the health information form, a general healthcare plan, and all your starting forms that you need. So finally, it's worth mentioning that these aren't the only two places on the website where you'll find resources. Resources will usually be linked through on pages themselves which are relevant to that resource. So for example, with regards to the information and consent form, if we go to Making Guiding Happen, Delivering Our Programme and Activities, and then Guidance on Activities, there's actually a page called Getting Permission right at the top of this menu. And if you click there, you'll see that the information and consent form, which is highly relevant to this page, is linked in the sidebar, and you can just download it there. So that's how you can find resources on the new Girl Guiding website.